Hi guys, my name is Nonema Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the Madlanga Commission. A lot is happening, guys. And sorry, you know what? The one thing that we've been waiting for, especially the people that watch the Senzo Meyiwa case, we all have been waiting for one name to come up. We've been waiting for one name. We've been patiently waiting for that name to come up in that sense, in that Madlanga Commission. And we wanted to also go to Parliament. And I'm also hoping that that is not the only thing that they are going to pop out of. So yesterday on the Madlanga Commission, as witness A was busy dropping bombshells left, right, and center, what he told the Madlanga Commission shocked us, but not really. We were expecting it. In fact, we were going to be so shocked if ever that name does not make it to that Madlanga Commission. Especially when SEPS is being dealt with, we were going to be very, very concerned and very shocked. It was going to be a something suicide. There goes SEPS, because what? You want to tell me there is no one who's willing to talk about him? You want to tell me that he does not show on his hands somewhere in a certain pie? No, 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 no. So I am happy to report to you that yesterday on the Madlanga Commission, the cold case unit was reported about, and also not just reported, in a shady situation. Um, and like what I like is that inside Pakati, Madlanga Commission, that means they are going to the ad hoc committee. That means investigations must happen. Investigation must happen. And I pray to the Almighty God that this is not going to be the first time we are hearing about that man's name. Brigadier Geninda's name was dropped. We drop off the files. Witness A was like, I'm telling it as it is. There was once a time, this is what witness A had to say, guys. Hang on. I got you. I got you when it comes to this. Let me do a presentation first for you. Because what? What? I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to play this video for you, because I don't want to be someone who's telling you things that that you guys are not supposed are going to wish. Can you tell us, let me share with you. Let me share with you something here. Let me share with you. Let me share something with you. Yeah, let me show you this quickly. Listen to this. You see? So Brigadier Gininda went to look. Let me check out. Let me check out quickly when sorry. Let me check out when did Almat Swart die for Gininda's unit to go and look for this Ahmad Swart. Ahmad Swart news. Let's see. Ahmad Swart died. Let me see. I want to see something. Oh, sorry. Ahmad Swart. This guy, didn't he die in 2023? If not, no, 2020 or 2021, 2022, somewhere there. For Brigadier Gininda to be already asking for his docket. When did he die? Okay, it's not coming out now. The exact situation that I want. Yeah, Swart, an engineer, was fatally shot in Vereeniging on the morning of 17 April 2024. So, if this was 2024, why would Gininda want a docket as a cold case unit? Sorry, why would he want a docket of 2024? Suspicious much? Isn't that suspicious on its own, guys? He's acting very dodgy there. Why would his unit want that docket of that murder of 2024? It's been a year now. It's only a year. So what does he mean that it's a cold case? It's a cold case. Why would they request it? Hypo. So I'm saying from that was the beginning. I think that was the beginning, and I'm hoping that it's not going to end there. I'm hoping that there is more where that information came from. And I hope Witness B, Witness C is going to tell us a lot about Brigadier Gininda, because he's one of those cops that need to be investigated. He's one of those cops that need to be investigated because of the Senzo Meyiwa case. That Senzo Meyiwa case is very dodgy. Why am I saying it's dodgy? It's the evidence that he brought. I don't have a problem with the accused being on other cases as whoever they are in other cases. But for this Senzo Meyiwa case, no, something is very dodgy with the evidence that Gininda has brought. Something is very dodgy. I remember Mngoni Mezulu used to say the case has been manufactured, the evidence have been cooked. And as we are watching the case, that's what we witnessed, that a lot is not making sense. The cell phone evidence, the towers, yay, okay, maybe the towers are fine, but the cell phone evidence, how things were changed. And then we have Senior Zungu. We have also Zungu Jr., which is the constable who told us lies. And to show that his story was lies, the 2014 situation, that the party that says it happened, no one is talking about it. No one knows about it. The wedding that he talks about, even Sibia did not refer to the wedding. Like there is a lot that is going wrong when it comes to that. So if the cold case unity can do that to a 2024 murder docket, then I and the people that are saying the Senzo Meyiwa investigation that is in court is very much suspicious, we are not wrong. We are not wrong, because tell me, why would Gininda want something to do with a case that happened in 2024 April? Wasn't it December or January when he was asking for that case, for the docket, when his team, because I will say him because he is the leader. He's the one that is sent. People do something because they are sent to do it. So why was he making that situation his business? That's where our curiosity comes. Why was he making? I am hoping that Gininda, this is not the last time your name pops out there, Madlanga Commission, and it goes straight to the ad hoc committee. We want to see your damn face. You can't hide. You can't do such things and not be confident for us to see you as the country. We need to see you. When the other people were not hidden, Gininda better show his face. They must bring him. He must bring him and come and tell us why he wanted a case that was that happened in 2024. Why? What was his interest? He needs to come and state to us what was his interest in that situation. He needs to be investigated in all his doings. That's what needs to happen. Anyway, guys, I thought let me bring you that, because that's one thing that we've been saying as the people that are watching the Senzo Meyiwa case. When General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi came through, we were like, we don't think Gininda is absent in that list of cops that you are referring to, sir. We don't think so. We want to see something. He better be investigated. Let's talk about it on the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.